This is breaking news regarding the 2 astronauts that are stuck in space and not able to return home until 2025. Well, they called into NASA because they recorded something terrifying on their space station, what sounds like a pulsing sound, a heartbeat, over and over, and they have no idea what it's from. It's almost like a scene out of a space horror flick. Take a look at this and tell me what you think.
Houston's with you, Butch. Go ahead.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker, and I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me keep mic and let you hear. I don't know what's making it.
We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute, and I'll call you back when it's ready.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep the mic up next to the speaker.
Copy. Yep, good recording. Thanks, Butch. We will pass it on to the team and let you know what we find.